Yo people, this is Vimal here, and first of all, happy Diwali to each and every one of you. I know we still have like 1 or 2 days for Diwali, but my festival mood has already kicked in and I'm already celebrating at my place. So today's video is a bit special, guys. You might have already seen the video's title. I am doing a special giveaway for you guys. Thing is, on my channel, I've observed that I've got lots of subscribers, and some of you guys are maybe like gamers, some of you are small content creators, and others may be like people who want to start their career on YouTube. See, I know a lot of people love making videos, but you guys don't have like proper gear. That is what I've seen in the comment section. So that is the reason I wanted to do something for you people during this Diwali. That is the reason I have collaborated with Shure and arranged a special microphone giveaway, guys. It's a very professional quality and also expensive microphone. We'll be coming to the giveaway part at a later part in the video. You have to stay tuned and watch the video to know about that. Anyways, keeping that aside, Shure has recently launched their brand new microphone, guys. This is called the MV7. This is their podcast microphone, guys, and let me tell you, it's a professional quality studio level microphone that offers some crazy features. First thing is, it's got a completely customizable sound signature option, like you can completely tweak and customize the sound signature on it. Then you've got a lot of other features as well, like auto level mode is there, and you can even install Shure's own desktop app and completely customize and change a lot of things on it. On top of that, this microphone can be powered using both USB as well as XLR, guys, so that flexibility is also there. So first what we'll do is I'll unbox it and give you all a first look at this microphone. Let's get started. So guys, Shure's brand new podcast microphone, the MV7, comes in this sort of box packaging. I've been waiting since such a long time to get my hands on it. The microphone comes in this sort of box packaging, has Shure's new branding at the top, and a picture of the product on the front. It says, "Take your sound to the next level." And as mentioned, the model is MV7. It's a professional quality podcast microphone with both USB and XLR output. Now that is what I'm talking about. Let's check out the complete box packaging and see what's written on it. We've got the MV7 branding all over it, and going to the backside, we've got some of its main highlights. Let me show you. It's a unidirectional dynamic microphone with voice isolation technology, has auto level mode, it's live stream ready, offers customizable sound signature, has a real-time headphone monitoring out, and a touch control panel as well. The features look pretty awesome, and Shure also provides an app known as Shure Plus Motive app, which can be used to completely customize the microphone. Alright then, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So as soon as you open the box, it says "Welcome to Better Sound." There's actually another box on the inside, and I guess the microphone's inside this. Let's open it and see. So guys, at the top we've got some paperwork which includes a quick start guide. Make sure to read that, and some information regarding Shure's compatible app. And at last, here's the podcast microphone we've been waiting for, the brand new MV7 from Shure. Came nicely packed like this, and along with that you've got some more stuff in the box, which includes the warranty information, a micro USB type B to USB type A cable, and a micro USB type B to type C cable. These are all the cables and accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the microphone. So here it is, Shure's brand new MV7 mic. Oh my god, this is an absolute stunner. We'll just come back to the microphone in a moment. Along with this, you also get a 5/8 inch to 27 thread mount as well in the box, and that's it. Now let's have a closer look at the product. Shure's new MV7 is a professional dynamic microphone and comes in two colors, black and silver. We have the black color model. You've got the Shure branding on both the sides, and let me tell you, the mic looks really premium and class. It features an all-metal construction for excellent reliability. I love the build quality of the product, feels top-notch in the hand, and on the front side you have a foam windscreen as well, removing which exposes the actual microphone grill. Wow, just look at the quality and the finishing. Beautiful looking mic. So let me just give you an overview and show you what's available on it. First thing you'll notice is this integrated yoke that is fully adjustable, so you can easily mount it on a mic stand or a boom stand as per your convenience. And going to the back, you've got some connectivity ports. There's an XLR out for professional sound recording, a real-time headphone monitoring out, and a micro USB Type B port so you can easily connect it to your PC or even your phone. And at the top side is where you've got the new touch control panel. Using this, you can easily switch and adjust both the microphone gain and the headphone audio level, lock the controls, or even mute the microphone directly. Very handy, convenient, and easily accessible controls from the top side. So, guys, that was our complete overview on the design, the build quality, and all of its features. This dynamic microphone is mainly made for the podcasters, streamers, gamers who are looking for a pro quality microphone on a budget. And not just them, it's great even for musicians and vocalists, especially because it's got an XLR output for professional recording using mixers. And on top of that, it also supports auto level mode and voice isolation technology, which minimize the room noise and auto adjusts the gain level in real time to deliver professional quality results. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing and first look at Shure's brand new MV7 podcast microphone, and as you can see I've already set up the mic. I'm using a flexible arm right now which I've attached to the table, and to this sort of setup you can use and connect this podcast microphone and have a setup like this. If you want to know what flexible arm I'm using for my microphone, I'll leave links in the description box below. So right now guys, the audio that you're hearing right now is from this brand new Shure MV7 podcast microphone, and this is how it sounds like. Hello, check 1 2 3. Hey guys, this is Vimal here. How's the audio quality, guys? Do let me know in the comment section down below. If you talk about the specs I've already mentioned, right? This is a dynamic microphone made for musicians, singers, podcasters, gamecasters, and people like me. I love these sort of microphones, and the frequency response range is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. And also one more great thing is this is a highly directional cardioid microphone, guys. That means it only picks up your audio, your voice, and it doesn't pick up the background noise. If you can observe the audio, there is very minimum background noise in this audio clip. So guys, I have to tell you, this microphone can be used in two ways. You can use it, you can connect it to your setup either using a USB cable provided in the box, or you can even connect via XLR. It's completely up to you. As you can see right now, I have connected the microphone to my computer using the USB cable provided in the box. And one more good thing is Shure also provides a desktop app which you can download from their website, and you can see the app right now on my home screen. The app is called as Shure Plus Motive, and from there you can completely customize the sound signature of the microphone. It's got lots of options in the app, guys, like you can completely adjust the microphone gain. There are a couple of EQ options as well, so you can choose them depending on your requirement. And you also have limiter option is there, compressor option is there, and a lot of stuff, guys. You'll have to check it out. Well, yeah, that was like my first look and audio test on Shure MV7. Let me know what you think about this microphone in the comment section down below. Keeping that aside, now let me come to the main part of the video. I know you all have been like really eagerly waiting for this part since the beginning. Let me tell you about the giveaway. So this is Diwali period, right? So I wanted to share some joy with my audience because you guys have been like really nice and I love you all people. So what I've done is I've collaborated with Shure, and we will be giving away one Shure MV7 podcast microphone to one lucky subscriber on the channel, guys. The same exact microphone that I have right now, we will be giving away one unit of this to one lucky subscriber on my channel. To participate in this giveaway, guys, it's very easy. First thing is you have to be one of our subscriber. So if you have already subscribed to the channel, then well and good, you have done with the step one. The second thing is you have to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, guys. The main thing why I'm asking you to do is it'll be like very easy for me to pick the winner and directly contact the winner through these social media profiles. That is the reason you'll have to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And that is it, guys. You'll be done with the steps and you'll be entered into the contest. So this giveaway contest will run for about like 20 days starting from today, and the winner will be announced on my social media. So stay tuned over there, also keep checking. And that is pretty much it, guys. I'll leave all the giveaway details in the description box below. You can go there and follow all the steps. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and happy Diwali once again. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.